Good morning, everybody. Doug here at Proformance Unlimited. I want to show you an example of a couple of products that we build here. We are big into the Godzilla engines. The last few years, we built a ton of these motors. The innovation that's coming out, there's a lot of guys making a lot of different products for these motors now, and we are really happy to be part of it. To give you an example, we've been testing rockers, we've been testing oil pans, timing cover setups, valve covers, you name it. There's a lot of cool stuff going on. This happens to be the one I ran last week. This version is basically an 850. It made over 900 some horsepower. We can slow it down by putting a little bit bigger pulley on it. This one happens to be our version of 1,000 horsepower, and we're going to break it in with this one. We're going to put a smaller pulley on it, make more boost. This one happens to be the Sea Serpent product. Again, we custom painted this one blue, Ford blue. This one I custom painted the block gray. Customer wanted like an Eleanor gray, and I painted it gray. Each and every one of our products are custom built here in-house. I have some really great news is that we had just come up with, and Steve's been a big part of this with Willis Performance. It came up and we wanted a 427 version. So he said, hey, how about a 427 version? So Brian, our buddy here at Willis Performance, took one of the crankshafts, the forged cranks, sent it out. We had it back cut, which was de-stroking it. And we now got some pistons and rods together, and we're happy to see that we're going to be coming together. So again, all you guys with the Cobra Kit cars, or even just one of your hot rods, you want a 427 Godzilla, which we're going to call Cobrazilla, hey, give us a call. Here at Performance Unlimited, we are badass. So again, if you want one of our products, give us a buzz. Be happy to build something. Peace.